Okay, so let's have problem 4-18. So dito naman, pinapakompute sa atin magkaiba or dalawang overhead absorption rate at magkano ang maa-assign sa job ZX using the two absorption rate, and then under or over applied overhead kung ang gagamitin daw ay yung absorption rate based on direct labor hour. So let's have letter I. Uh, Magkano daw yung overhead application rate based on direct materials cost. So what you will do is yung budgeted production overhead na $250,000, di-divide mo sa 100,000 na budgeted direct materials cost. So ang overhead application rate based on direct materials cost ay 250%. Kung direct labor hours naman, yung budgeted overhead na 250,000, di-divide mo sa 50,000 budgeted direct labor hours, so you'll get $5 per direct labor hour. Using those rates para sa job ZX, kung ang gagamitin ay yung based on materials, so you multiply 7,000 pounds na materials ni job ZX by 2.5. So you'll get the overhead applied to the job amounting to 17,500. Kung gagamitin mo naman ay based on direct labor hours, so 5 pounds per direct labor hours times 800 direct labor hours na nagamit ng job ZX, so 4,000 pounds of overhead will be assigned to the job. For number 3, kung ang gagamitin natin ay yung direct labor hour na absorption rate, so ang actual overhead natin is 350,000 at ang applied is 5 pounds per direct labor hour times the number of hours actually used during the period. So, computin pa natin yon by dividing 275,000 by the labor rate per hour. Ang labor rate per hour, ang pinagbasehan ko ay yung $4,000 na 800 hours daw. So, yan yung ating number sentence. 5 pounds times 275,000 pounds divided by 4,000 pounds over 800. So, ang ma-apply na overhead ay 275,000. So that means we have under applied overhead or under applied or what we call unfavorable variance na 75,000 pounds.